is a secret kind of knowing that doesn't come from searching but from solving doubt. You can't force it to arrive by overthinking, analyzing, or rushing. You find it in the silence, the moments when the noise of the world fades and your own voice finally has room to speak. How do you know what you truly want? You get still, you get quiet, you stop running from yourself. You turn off the constant buzz of the world, the scrolling, the comparing, the trying to keep up. You give yourself permission to step out of the noise, to disconnect from everything that keeps pulling you away from your own truth. Because when you sit in solitude long enough, something magical happens. The layers of who you thought you needed to be begin to peel away. The false urgencies start to dissolve. And what's left? The still, gentle whisper within you begins to speak clearly. It will tell you what you are longing for. It will tell you what feels right, what doesn't, and why you have been resisting what you already know. It will show your truest desires, not the ones born from fear or comparison, but the ones born from your soul. We often fear stillness because it makes us face ourselves. It removes the distraction and with it, the excuses. But if you want to know what you really want, you have to face yourself completely, lovingly, without judgment. So go for the long walk without music. Sit by yourself in the quiet of the morning. Turn off your breathe. Listen. The truth doesn't need to be chased. It needs to be heard. And when you listen deeply enough, the answers emerge without struggle. They rise gently from the depths of your being, reminding you that you have always known what's right for you. Solitude isn't loneliness, it's a clarity. It's where you stop echoing the world and start resonating with your own frequency. It's where you find peace that isn't borrowed from anyone else. It's where you realize that your power comes not from being busy or loud, but from being still and sure. And when you bring that peace back into the you move differently. You speak differently. You attract differently because you are no longer guessing who you are. You are grounded in it. And from that knowing, what you want becomes crystal clear. So take time today to get quiet, to meet yourself again. Because in the silence, you will find yourself, you will find your answers, and that will change everything. Here your challenge of day. Spend at least 30 minutes today in complete stillness. No music, no scrolling, no distractions. Simply sit and walk quietly and observe what thoughts and feelings arise. Write down anything that feels like truth. Say aloud, in stillness, I hear my truth. My answers rise